You treat your tongs like a one-trick tool, but scientifically, they might be the most versatile tool in your kitchen. This is the scientific fact that proves why tongs are the ultimate multi-tool, all thanks to engineering. Rule number 1 is leveraged grip. Tongs operate on the principle of the third-class lever. A small amount of pressure applied by your hand near the pivot point translates into significant controlled force at the tips, allowing you to securely handle heavy, hot, or delicate items that a spoon would fail at. Rule number 2 is structural versatility. Because of their inverted V shape, tongs provide instant, stable structure. This allows them to become instant cooling racks, lid stands, or funnel holders, tasks usually requiring specialized equipment. Rule number 3 is surface area control. The tips of good tongs have gripping teeth or ridged surfaces, maximizing friction and minimizing the contact point. This is crucial for pressing moisture out of food or squeezing a lemon without letting the wet seeds escape. Understanding the engineering behind your tongs unlocks their full potential. They are not just for flipping, they are a maximized efficiency tool. Hit subscribe for more facts and check the short we linked for 5 immediate game-changing hacks.